Hey, Jimbo here. And if there's two things that I love, it is creating new businesses and artificial intelligence and Jesus and my wife and kids and my extended family. Okay, in addition to all the things that I love, I also love artificial intelligence and I love businesses. So I found a AI tool that is super cool that combines those two together. Okay, so what the headline says is launch a startup in seconds with AI. And actually, this website holds a special place in my heart because this exact stock image here I used on my website maybe 10 years ago. So this is a popular stock image, this lady. But anyways, so launch a startup in seconds with AI. So what does this mean? It says have an idea for a startup product or service. The answer for me is yes. Some nights I can't sleep because all that happens is business ideas. Sometimes I can't talk with people because no matter what they talk about, they say, oh, yes, I was painting the other day. I'm like, have you thought about selling your paintings? And blessing and a curse, but it's the way that my brain works. So anyways, yes, I have an idea for a startup product or service. Our AI-powered builder helps entrepreneurs quickly launch and validate their business ideas. So here, I want us to see, how does this work? You can try it for free. So I love that. You don't have to pay. I hate things that make you pay before you even try it out. How do I know that I want to pay money for it? So I hate that. So I'm going to go to create new site and it says, what is your startup idea? So you can type in anything. Describe your startup idea in a sentence. So let's do something around, AI is on my mind a lot. So what I do when I'm trying to think of business ideas, usually they just come to me, is I think of problems that I actually have. And then I know if I have these problems, chances are I'm not a snowflake, okay? Other people have the same exact problems. So one problem that I have is I get so many emails. You might see down here in the lower left corner, I have 118 unread emails. AI that will read all your emails. This is sounding scary. That's okay, okay? Throw caution to the wind. Let's do it. AI that will read all your emails and steal all your info. No, all your emails and summarize the main ones and tell you if there is anything urgent. That's what I really need. Sometimes I miss out on things. I know some people emailed me about an event that was happening last night and I didn't check it till this morning, so I missed it. So how about AI that will read all your emails? Again, that worries me right there. But it's just a video, okay? I might not make this business. Summarize the main ones and tell you if there's anything urgent. So let's do it. Generate site. So connecting to AI, generating a startup name. So as you can tell, what this does is it does a lot of things to just get your idea rolling. Okay, and I love this. Hey, so they came up with a name first off. They called it Quick AI. Streamline your workflow with Quick AI. Get the edge on your emails with Quick AI. Our AI will read all your emails, summarize the key ones, and let you know if there's anything urgent, which is what I told it to do. And they made up a fake testimonial, which I don't know if I like that. That seems dishonest, but Chloe could be an AI generated person. And maybe they did say that. Anyway, I would say don't use fake testimonials. I think that's shady. But it came up with this kind of logo clip art thing. Here's a logo that it came up with. And what I really love is what it does for all these ideas is it doesn't build you the app. I'm going to do another video. You can build apps right with ChatGPT. I'm going to do another video on that sometime. He who chases two rabbits catches neither. It's an ancient Russian proverbs. We're going to just focus. Mixo.io. But what it does is it creates a wait list for people. So it makes a website and a wait list. And what I love about this, before you go and build your next business idea, what a lot of people do is they have an idea. They think, oh, this is a genius idea. Then they go, maybe they raise a bunch of money or they put a lot of effort into it and they go build their idea, only to find out, oh, nobody actually wanted that idea that you had. So what I love about this is you can have a wait list. You don't have to build anything. You can just wait and see what kind of interest is there in something like this. So if I throw this site up, sounds gross, but if I put this site up on the internet and I end up with 10,000 people on my wait list, then I might think, wow, this is actually something that I should consider building. There's a lot of demand for something like this. So it builds you a website, automatically sort emails. Quick AI quickly reads your emails and sorts them into categories. That's actually cool. I wasn't thinking that way, but that's cool. Which again, I don't know how I feel about this AI generated art. It's pretty cool though. Quick AI will not only tell you if there is something urgent, but also keep you up to date on the latest trends in your industry. Sure. I used to dread opening my emails, but now it's a breeze with quick AI. And then here's all of my fans, all AI generated people. Join the waitlist. And then you can save and customize. You can have it generate another one, say, oh, I didn't like that one at all. And there are paid plans. Obviously, they have to make money some way. There's a free plan. What it does is it leaves the Mixo branding on your website is the main difference. So you can do it free and just leave the Mixo branding. So I'm going to do that for now. But you also can pay like this $9 a month for one site or $39 for 15 sites. So if you want to throw up a whole bunch of these, obviously this is the right one for you. A little bit cheaper if you do annual. But I'm going to just continue with the free plan. But you can go in here. You can edit all the things. Maybe you don't like the colors. Maybe you want to say, hey, actually, I wanted more of a red color to it. You can change the name, you can change the SEO title, the description. So you can go through and customize everything. Like maybe you don't want to actually have fake testimonials, so you remove them. Say, no, that's not real. No, that's not real. And instead of email, you could say, join my Discord. You know, if you're doing this in crypto, you could say, join my Discord community. So you could use this for crypto, totally. In fact, let's open a new window. Let's do that. Let's say, how about how about an NFT project? An NFT project where people buy an NFT and then the proceeds go into a pool that we use to buy businesses, and the revenue from the businesses is airdropped, distributed to the NFT holders. We can do something like that. So again, it'll do the same thing, connecting to AI. And honestly, it's kind of just fun seeing what ideas they come up with. This saves so much time for you to come up with a name, a logo, a website, all the art. It's not the best looking thing. Like obviously we could probably design something better, not to have like body image issues, but that kid, something's wrong with that kid's legs. You should go see a doctor. But anyways, it's just so cool. I love this so much. Anyways, back to quick AI. But when you're done, everything's how you like it. You can go to publish. Your site has been published. So, and you can get your own custom domain name. I'm not sure if you can do that. Let me see if you can do that on here. Customize domain. Okay, it'll use just a mixo.io URL at first. You could set up a bit.ly link that goes to it. If you want to set up a domain name, then you have to buy one of their plans. Okay, so again, they need to make money. Honestly, $39 a month is not that bad. But now this website is live and you can start sending traffic to it. When people sign up, it'll show up in here. So again, it'll show you recent subscribers. So these are people who've gone to your website and joined the waitlist, but you can start to get an idea of if there's any traction for that idea that you had. Getting traffic to your website, that's probably the hard part. Maybe we'll do another video, but you can run Facebook ads. You can make a YouTube channel. The community that I built and things like that is a great marketing tool to get traffic to certain websites. You can ask ChatGPT, hey, I just built a new company. How can I get traffic to my website to join my waitlist? And then I just like to post the website. So in ChatGPT is so encouraging. Congratulations on starting your new company. Here are several ways to drive traffic. Your website might get some visitors just on its own, just from being part of Google. You can do paid advertising, content marketing. So you could go write, on Medium, you can write blog articles. And again, you can use ChatGPT. I'm all about, saving work. So you could say, write me let's do a 500-word article about my new business. Let's see if it can do it with just the website or if I need to give it more instructions. Yeah, see, so it's looking at Mixo. So let me tell it what I do. This is one of the revolutionary things about AI is that you used to have to talk to computers like computers, but with AI, you're able to talk to computers more like you would a person. The goal is to drive traffic to my landing page. Introducing Quick AI, the future of email management. So then it'll write you an article. You can go on Medium, you can publish that article. That will start getting traffic to your website. Social media marketing, influencer marketing. I've heard that that's a terrible way. No, I'm just kidding. If you have a great idea, let's do an AMA. If someone builds a Mixo, I'll make this deal. If someone builds a Mixo startup idea, I will bring you on the channel. Okay, we'll do an AMA or something, or you can present your business idea. Let's do that. That'd be so much fun. So hopefully comment down below. I do hit like too. For some reason recently, I forget every time to hit like, but it does really help out. It lets me know that you like this content. It lets me know, hey, make more of this content. So please hit like, comment your business ideas, And if you build a business, contact me and I'll pick one business to feature in an AMA or something like that. But that's influencer marketing. Email marketing. So as you develop leads, you start to develop a subscriber list. If you get a subscriber list for one business, you're able to use that, leverage that for future businesses. So that's something to be thinking about. Referral marketing. Here's your blog article. You can say, how could I set up a referral program to drive traffic to there? So this is why I love ChatGPT. If you have any questions, you shouldn't ask me anymore. Ask ChatGPT. So I hope you enjoyed this. I hope this was helpful content for you. Let me know. I'll leave this link in the comments if you guys want to sign up for Quick AI. If I get enough people interested, maybe I'll build something. Sounds fun. Maybe you think this business pool idea is cool. That rhymed. It means it's meant to be. But yeah, let me know your business ideas. Let me know what holds you back from starting your own business. I love starting businesses, but I'd love to hear, why do you not want to start one? You think it's going to be too much work. You're worried about the legal structure. You don't have any good ideas, etc., etc. You think you'll fail. Let me know those down in the comments below. But appreciate you guys. Appreciate you watching me through all my endeavors and crazy shenanigans. Appreciate you guys. Have a great rest of your day. Thanks.